Is mouthwash actually bad for you? Well, let's start off by saying that bad is a subjective word here. Depending on the person, mouthwash may not be the most effective oral cleaning method. And the negative effects also depend on what brand of mouthwash you're using too. What exactly makes mouthwash bad? Well, some of the most common mouthwash ingredients are fluoride, alcohol, essential oils, flavoring, dyes, and peroxides. Although these are all combined together to help you clean your teeth, they do have their own side effects. For example, alcohol can actually dry out your mouth, cause your mouth to burn or tingle, especially if you have any sort of cut or sore in or around your mouth. And depending on the age of the mouthwash user, it just isn't generally a great thing to possibly ingest. But even if you choose to buy an alcohol-free mouthwash, there can still be some negatives. Although mouthwash is meant to take away bacteria, not all bacteria in your mouth is harmful for you. There are good bacteria in your oral microbiome, which is a group of microorganisms that help to break down your food and keep your teeth and gums healthy. And mouthwash sometimes kills those too. And it may seem strange, but mouthwash doesn't only take away stains on your teeth, it can also add them. Most cheaper mouthwashes contain bright dyes that can transfer to your teeth after use. But they do make dye-free mouthwash, so that's not too big of a problem. Studies also show a possible linkage between the synthetic ingredients in mouthwash to certain cancers. But there isn't enough research to fully back that up yet, so take that info with a grain of salt. That's it, folks. Don't hesitate to pass on the knowledge and hit the subscribe button to our channel for more practical health insights.